Page 5. Drop by. Drop by. Drop by. Mampir. Example, Danny.
Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So welcome back to my channel and let's learn English together. Oh my god, that's really amazing. And today, hari ini kita akan belajar common phrasal verb in English. What? Common phrasal verbs in English. Okay, so do you know what is phrasal verbs? Teman-teman tahu apa itu phrasal verb? Karena hari ini kita akan belajar phrasal verb in English. Okay, let me explain it. Phrasal verb adalah verb yang diikuti oleh particles. What are the particles? Jadi kata kerja yang diikuti oleh particles. Particles yang pertama adalah preposition. So verb is followed by preposition, and the second is verb followed by adverb. In example, verb followed by preposition, go in. Go in. Verb followed by preposition. Kata kerja yang diikuti oleh preposisi, yaitu go in. Yang kedua, kata kerja yang diikuti oleh adverb. Go together. Go together. So, those are phrasal verbs. And let's have more example of common phrasal verbs in English. Let's take a look this video. Enjoy.
So let's get started. Here some common phrasal verb in English. Page 1. Put off. Put off. Put off. You can connect the word put and off to be put off. Put off. Example, please put off your shoes. Please put off your shoes. Get into. Get into. Get into. Masuk ke dalam. Example, he will get into trouble if he brings the gun to school. He will get into trouble if he brings the gun to school. He will get into trouble if he brings the gun to school. Pick up. Pick up. Pick up. You can connect this word pick up, menjemput. Example, she picks up the ball. She picks up the ball. She picks up the ball. Take up. Take up. Take up. You can connect the word take up. Example, he takes up his wife to the station. He takes up his wife to the station. He takes up his wife to the station. Page 2. Cheer up. Cheer up. Cheer up. You can connect the word cheer up. Cheer up. Example, I want to cheer you up. I want to cheer you up. I want to cheer you up. Hand in. Hand in. Hand in. You can connect the word hand in. Hand in. Hand in. Mengumpulkan. Example, I forgot to hand in my last assignment. I forgot to hand in my last assignment. I forgot to hand in my last assignment. Hang out. Hang out. Hang out. You can connect the word hang out. Hang out. Nongkrong atau main. Example, every night I hang out with my friends in the mall. Every night I hang out with my friends in the mall. Give away. Give away. Give away. Memberikan secara cuma-cuma. Example, Helena bought new clothes, but she gave it away to me. Helena bought new clothes, but she gave it away to me. Page 3. Come in. Come in. Come in. Bisa disambung come in. Come in. Masuk. Example, come in. I have something to show you. Come in. I have something to show you. Get up. Get up. Get up. You can connect the word get up. Get up. Bangun. Every day I get up at 4 in the morning. Every day I get up at 4 in the morning. Look for. Look for. Look for. Mencari. Example, Jane was looking for her wallet. Jane was looking for her wallet. Show off. Show off. Show off. You can connect the verb show off. Show off. Pamer. Example, I never like her behavior when she is showing off. I never like her behavior when she is showing off. Page 4. Work out. Work out. Work out. You can connect the word work out. Work out. Berolahraga. Example, she works out at home every morning. She works out at home every morning. Figure out. Figure out. You can connect the word figure out. Figure out. Mencari jawaban. Example, I can't answer the question and I will figure it out later. I can't answer the question and I will figure it out later. Fall apart. Fall apart. Fall apart. You can connect the word fall apart. Fall apart. Hancur. Example, my heart has fallen apart since I broke up with her. My heart has fallen apart since I broke up with her. Fall down. Fall down. Fall down. Jatuh. Example, he fell down in the slippery floor yesterday. He fell down in the slippery floor yesterday. Page 5. Drop by. Drop by. Drop by. Mampir. Example, Daniel always drops by to meet his daughter at school. Daniel always drops by to meet his daughter at school. Daniel always drops by to meet his daughter at school. Look after. Look after. You can connect the word look after. Look after. Look after. Merawat. Example, she looks after her mom in hospital. She looks after her mom in hospital. Looking forward to. Looking forward to. Looking forward to. Mengharapkan, menantikan. Example, I am looking forward to seeing you. I'm looking forward to seeing you. Carry out. Carry out. Carry out. Mengerjakan atau melaksanakan. Example, I can't carry out difficult plans. I can't carry out difficult plans. I can't carry out difficult plans. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and silahkan tulis untuk video selanjutnya di kolom komentar. Dan jangan lupa di subscribe. Bye bye.